there is a fly. Wait, have you found it? No. What was that?
Oh! Who found it? I think I moved. Is it in the lab? Oh my god, do you want me down again? Sorry. He goes like this. Maybe I should turn this off and throw it to myself. Actually, no, I shouldn't, should I? He goes like this. He goes like this, and he's like... I just like singing down the lamp.
Why?
Because my dad was sick.
Did you catch that fly?
I think I did.
You're still on camera.
Am I? No! Oh wait, the fly's in there probably. I think I got it.